Today I'm going to try to instantly make a smoothie with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I saw these online and I decided to pick them up. Smoothie-N-Go. Picked them up on Amazon, and they are smoothies in these little instant powder packets here. They're kind of bigger than a instant coffee powder packet. Maybe like the instant mochas, those types of things. This one says mango, banana, pineapple, which I love the pineapple. This one says banana, strawberry, and this one just says flow. Maybe it's in reference to bowel movements, but I thought I would try one of these here, and the instructions here are pretty easy. Now it says on the back, add it to 8 to 10 ounces of water, milk, or your favorite beverage. But I'm not going to try whiskey. In fact, I'm just going to try water. Now, because it said 8 to 10 ounces, I actually put 9 ounces in here, got the little mixer in there. So I thought I would go ahead and try this and see what it's like. It's nice that there's a little notch there for tearing this sucker open. And it is just powder. So let's go ahead and pour this in. I guess I'm not really expecting a whole lot. One, because this water is cool, but it's not cold, so it's not going to be like a frozen smoothie. And two, it's obviously not going to have any big chunks of real fruit in it or anything like that. So you could definitely cut up a banana or throw some slices of fruit in there. Probably would be cool if there were freeze-dried fruit parts in there. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Just a mound of yellow powder sitting on top of the water there. Hopefully I've got this closed up. Blender bottle. If you need a blender bottle, I'll put a link to this in the description below, but just makes things a lot easier than stirring it up by hand. What I can tell you there is it looks like there are chunks in there, and I don't think it's going to dissolve any more than that. I haven't shaken it that long, less than a minute, but it seems to have gotten it nice and stirred up. It's as quick as any drink I've ever made. Okay. Kind of looks like a pineapple orange juice. Definitely has that pineapple smell. It does have those little chunks of fruit in there, and that really helps the effect because you can feel them as you're crunching them between your teeth. It's actually thicker and richer than I was expecting. What it kind of reminds me of is when you buy orange juice with the added pulp in it, you know, so you have all of that stuff in it, that particulate in it. Wow, that's pretty delicious too. I particularly like this one because it's smooth, it's sweet, there's no bitterness in it. Kind of has that welcoming flavor of like applesauce to me. I tell you what, I don't think I've enjoyed 8 ounces of water so much as I have with this. This is actually pretty good, and it certainly doesn't feel unhealthy like some of those instant fruit punch or lemonade drink mixes. I bet if you added this to really cold water or gave it a little chill in the freezer for a little while, it'd be even more like a regular smoothie, but obviously I was able to pound that down pretty quickly. I don't know, 60 seconds of prep time, and I just had myself a nice, delicious smoothie. I'm excited about trying out some of those other flavors now. But I know I'm definitely ordering more of this pineapple, but if you want to pick up a variety pack like this or any of these flavors like I did on Amazon, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Today I'm going to try to